Welcome to techxlovers. The future of tools is here. Makita Rechargeable Wall Scanner. The Makita Rechargeable Wall Scanner EWD-181 is a cordless wall scanner that can detect a variety of embedded objects, including metal, wood, plastic, and shielded electrical wire. Up to 7 inches deep. It features a full color display that shows the object positions and more, and a multi-detection mode that can display up to 3 detection results on a split screen at a time. The DWD-181 is also powered by Makita's 18V LXT lithium-ion battery system, so you can use it all day long without having to worry about running out of power. The DWD-181 is a durable and reliable tool that is built to withstand the rigors of everyday use. It is also backed by Makita industry-leading warranties, so you can be confident that your investment is protected. Hyde Tools Folding. Hyde Tools Folding is a line of foldable tools that are designed to be portable and easy to use. The line includes a variety of tools such as painters, tools, glass, scrapers, and multi-tools. Hyde Tools folding tools are made with high-quality material and construction, so they are durable and long-lasting. They are also easy to fold and unfold, making them convenient to store and transport. Hyde Tools folding tools are designed to be portable and easy to carry. They fold as small so they can be easily stored in a toolbox or backpack. Hyde Tools folding tools are easy to use. They fold and unfold quickly and easily, so you can get started on your project right away. Hyde Tools folding tools are made with high quality materials and construction, so they are durable and long-lasting. Distar RM-TX. Distar RM-TX is a line of diamond core drill bits designed for high-speed drilling of complex material in dry mode. The drill bits use diamond segments with oriented diamond, which provide a faster and more efficient drilling performance than traditional diamond segments. The turbo shape of the segment and the productive bond also contribute to the drill bit high speed and drilling performance. Distar RM-TX drill bits are available in a variety of sizes and shank types, so they can be used with a variety of drills and for a variety of applications. So they are commonly used for drilling holes in concrete, brick, masonry, and other hard materials. Nemo Reciprocating Saw. The Nemo Reciprocating Saw is the world's first submersible waterproof electric saw. It is designed for use by commercial drivers, but it can also be used in a variety of other applications such as underwater constructions and demolitions, marine salvage, and underwater search and rescue. The Nemo Reciprocating Saw is powered by a reliable 18V lithium battery and features a variable speed trigger. It has a stroke length of 1 1/8 inches and can cut through a variety of materials, including metal, wood, plastic, and concrete. The saw also has a keyless blade clamp that also for quick and easy blade charges. The Nemo Reciprocating Saw is built to withstand the rigors of underwater use. It is waterproof to 50 meters, 164 feet, and features a durable stainless steel housing. The saw also has a built-in LED light to illuminate the work area in low light conditions. Fusion Drill Powered. Fusion Drill Powered is a brand that makes tools that are powered by cordless drill. Their most popular product is the Fusion Drill Powered cultivator, which attacks to make cordless drill and turns it into the powerful and lightweight tiller. Fusion Drill Powered also make a variety of tools such as drill powered sugar, auger, and a drill powered painter mixer, paint mixer, and a drill powered standing attachment. Fusion Drill Powered tools are designed to be easy to use and versatile. They are also relatively inexpensive, making them a good option for homeowners and divers. Fusion Drill Powered tools are powered by cordless drills, which are already a common tool for many homeowners and divers. This means that you don't have to purchase a separate power source for your Fusion Drill Powered tool. Fusion Drill Powered tools that can be used for a variety of tasks, from cultivating your garden to mixing, painting, and to standing work. This makes them a good investment for anyone who needs a variety of tools. Nordic Pocket Saw. The Nordic Pocket Saw is a lightweight and portable saw that is perfect for camping, backpacking, and other outdoor activities. It is made with a durable stainless steel blade and features a comfortable nylon handle. This saw can be folded up for easy storage and transport, and it comes with a carrying case to keep it safe. The Nordic Pocket Saw is very easy to use. Simply unfold the saw and starting sawing. The saw has a sharp blade that can cut through a variety of materials, including wood, plastic, and metal. The saw is also very efficient and it can cut through even the thickest branches with ease. The Nordic Pocket Saw is a great tool for a variety of outdoor tasks. It can be used to cut firewood, clear trails, and build shelters. The saw is also a valuable tool for survival situations. The Nordic Pocket Saw is a versatile and essential tool for any outdoor enthusiast. It is a well-made and durable saw that can handle a variety of tasks. If you are looking for a lightweight and portable saw that can do it all, then the Nordic Pocket Saw is a great option. Everlasting Flint Match. An everlasting flint match is a reusable lighter that uses a flint and sticker to create a spark. The spark ignites a wick which provides a flame. Everlasting flint matches are often made with a metal body and a plastic wick. They are typically waterproof and windproof. To use an everlasting flint match, simply strike the flint against the striker. This will create a spark that will initiate the wick. Once the wick is lit, you can use the match like a regular lighter. Everlasting flint matches are a convenient and durable alternative to disposable lighters, so they are also environmentally friendly as they do not produce any waste. Everlasting flint matches are a great choice for anyone who needs a reliable and durable lighter. They are perfect for camping, backpacking, hiking, and other outdoor activities. They can also be used in emergency situations as they are always ready to use even if they are get wet or windy. Tolsen Drywall Sander. The Tolsen Drywall Sander is a powerful and versatile drywall sander that is perfect for a variety of tasks, including sanding mud, joint compound, and paint. It features a 5-inch sanding disc and a variable speed motor that allows you to match the speed to the task at hand. The sander also has a dust collection system that helps to keep the good work area clean. The Tolsen Drywall Sander 5 is a great choice for anyone who needs a powerful and versatile drywall sander. It is perfect for a variety of tasks, including sanding mud, joint compound, and paint. The sander is always easy to use and comfortable to hold. The Tolsen Drywall Sander 5 is easy to use and comfortable to hold. It has a lightweight design and a soft grip handle. The sander also comes with a variety of accessories including a sanding disc, a dust bag, and a side handle. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more videos, subscribe to Xlovers.